Hello, in this video tutorial we are going to use AutoMapper in .NET and C#. Let's open Visual Studio 2022. Let's create a new project, a new Web API project. So Web Application 3, it's okay. Create a new application. All right, first we need to delete this instruction here. Now we are going to install a new package. We are going to install AutoMapper. AutoMapper is here. Let's install it. All right. All right. Now we need to create a new class. The name of this class is mapping profile. Mapping profile. So let's create a new folder for models and a new folder for views. Okay, let's create a new model here, person, and let's create a new view here, person view. Okay, first, this is a data class with these properties: public string first name, public string last name, public int age, public decimal salary. All right, let's copy these properties, and we're going to paste them here, and here we are going to write full name, and let's delete last name. All right, now we're going to use this template here. Let's see. Mapping profile needs to inherit from profile. Okay, let's create the constructor. Let's create map person and person view. Okay, for member a first name, let's import this view. Okay, the full name, okay, the full name is going to be map from C first name and last name. Okay, here we are going to use an interpolation string. This is for full name. Okay, and for the next member, the next member is age and salary. Age, this is age, and for member, salary, all right. That's okay for me. This is for converting a person into a person view. Okay. So now we're going to create a service. Let's create a new folder. Now we need to create a new class, person service. So let's create an interface, public interface I person service task person view. So get person. Let's receive a person here. We need to import this class and this one as well. Okay. We need to copy this signature here and we need to implement it. All right. If we have the person, now we need to inject the mapper. So the next step is to go to program, and here we can use this code here. Here we need to type builder.services add singleton new mapper configuration dot add profile new mapping profile. Okay, let's import it, and here dot create mapper. Here create mapper. Okay, now we are able to use AutoMapper here. We need to inject the mapper here. Private read-only I mapper. All right, here we have the mapper, and let's return an OK. No, sorry. Let's return mapper.map person view. All right, person view from person. That's okay for me. Now we need to inject. We need to register the transient for the service of iPerson service. Okay. This service, we need to use this service in a controller. Let's create a new controller here. New class person controller. All right. Let's copy these decorators. All right. We need to inherit from controller. So now let's declare first the iPerson service. Now in the constructor we need to inject. All right. We need to create a new endpoint. Task I action result. Get person. Let's receive a person here. Input. Let's put the HTTP post person view. This person, we need to import from models, and we need to put this as HTTP, no, sorry, from body. Here, we are going to use person service, get person input, return OK. All right, and that's it. Let's try now. Okay, here we have this endpoint. We need to put the object, the first name. My first name is Carlos. My last name is Duarte. My age is 29. My salary, let's say 40,000. All right, let's execute. And we have the result. The full name is Carlos Duarte, the age is 29, and the salary is 40,000. All right, this is okay. The AutoMapper is working okay. This is working. So thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.